Hello everyone, today I'll be talking a little bit about dual SIM devices. So a dual SIM device is a device or a phone that accepts two SIM cards, either two physical SIM cards like these or one physical SIM card and the second one which is eSIM. So you'll be able to have two different numbers, either with the same carrier or with a different provider. So if you are activating two different phone numbers with different providers, you need to make sure your phone is unlocked first. So I have three phones here, and I'm going to show you how to check if your phone supports a dual SIM card, two SIM cards. So I'm going to start with my iPhone. Easiest way to check is just go to the calling icon and dial *#06#. If you see two IMEI numbers, then your phone supports two phone numbers, two SIM cards. 1, 2. Let me check with the other phone. *#06#. There is only one IMEI number, so I can only use one number, one SIM card. I can't use two on this one. Let me check with the third phone. *#06#. There is only one IMEI number, so I can't use these two with two SIM cards. So I can only use my iPhone, which supports dual SIM. Some phones will accept two physical SIM cards like these, which means you can insert two SIM cards. Yes, but others will not accept two physical cards, like my iPhone XR. So I'm going to show you. Let's just remove the tray. As you can see, I can only insert one SIM card only in this phone. In other phones, you can insert two physical SIM cards, but not on this one. So as I said, you can insert one physical SIM card here, and the second one is a built-in SIM card in your phone. You have to call your provider to activate it to get some information. Once you got that information, you go to settings, go to cellular. There is an option called add cellular plan. Just press that and enter details manually. Open that and just enter that information provided by your service provider. As I said, a physical SIM card and an eSIM card, which is a built-in SIM card in your phone. Some people will activate two phone numbers or two SIM cards because they want to separate calling, texting, and data. So they will get one number for calling and texting only, and the second number for data only. Other people, because they're traveling a lot, would like to get a second number to get a roaming package because they're traveling for business, stuff like that. Other people will just get two numbers because they want to keep one as a personal number and the second one for business. You can activate two phone numbers or two SIM cards with the same service provider, or you can get two different numbers with two different carriers, but you need to make sure your phone is unlocked, whether it's Android or iPhone. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.